Welcome back. Wanda Alemau's Eye and Skin Clinic West was launched on Wednesday. Many eminent personalities attended the launching function. Dr. Wanda Alemau Dangle and Dr. Praveen Dangle's West has started its services in Panji. West was inaugurated after Father blessed the clinic with his besound. Speaker Pratap Singh Rane and Vijaya Devi Rane, industrialist Srinivas Dempo, Yatin Parekh, Wanda's father Churchill Alemau, Valanka Alemau and family attended the launch of West. Dr. Praveen Dangle told us about the services available at West.
My wife, Dr. Wanda Alemau Dangle, she is a consultant aesthetic dermatology who will be dealing with all the cosmetic procedures related to the skin, which includes the hydrotherapy, mesotherapy, pain-free, hair-free. As far as I am concerned, I am looking after the ophthalmology department, which deals with cataract and foldable lens, as we have our own OT, that is operation theatre. Along with that, I am doing a medical retina and the laser treatment.
A video journalist from Panji, Sunny Narvekar. And now news from sports. A sports person knows the exact time when to call it a day on the career. That is exactly what India defender Mahesh Gawli has done. Despite coach Savio Medeira's request to continue playing for the country, Mahesh took the decision to retire from international football. Medeira has termed Mahesh's retirement as a loss to Indian football. A strong central defender in jersey number 14, Mahesh Gawli was the key player for India over the last decade. The 32-year-old footballer represented India in 82 matches before retiring from the international level earlier this week. India coach Savio Medeira told Prudent that Mahesh did not even listen to his request to continue playing till next year's AFC Challenge Cup.
Mahesh still had some football left in him, which I tried to convince him if he can stay up to the AFC Challenge Cup would have been better for the Indian team, and staying there would have been inspiration for the others who are coming back behind him, so that he could have been a guiding force. So it's personally from my side, it's a loss for Indian football. He had come to me, but I tried to convince him not to take the retirement, but he had already decided it before. So I had to see that his personal decision was whatever he had made would have been accepted.
It certainly will not be an easy task to fill the big boots of Mahesh Gawli, but Medeira will have his task cut out to groom the next Gawli.
It's always difficult for a coach whenever a player retires, and especially the caliber of Mahesh. But a coach's duty is to see that to carry on with whoever the next fellow comes in, to guide him and to talk to him, and that is how I will go forward.
Good news for Dempo fans will be that Gawli will continue playing for his club side. Our reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt. Defending champions Salgaonkar Sports Club defeated 10-man East Bengal by 4-0 in the I-League at Fatorda on Thursday. This victory takes Salgaonkar to 8th position in the table with 16 points from 12 rounds. The loss keeps East Bengal in the 4th position with 23 points. Importantly, this result will boost the confidence of Karim Bencharifa's boys, who have been struggling to show their top form.
Salgaonkar Sports Club were under pressure to turn around their poor form, while East Bengal were looking to score a victory to stay in the title hunt. The matchup seemed to be heading for a keen tussle. However, this tackle from East Bengal captain Mehtab Hussain got him sent off in the 17th minute, and the complexion of the match changed. Salgaonkar Sports Club cashed on their numerical advantage and trounced East Bengal by 4 goals. Francis Fernandes scored the first goal in the 23rd minute. Japanese midfielder Yuji Sioka doubled the score in the 67th minute. Elijah Jr. made it 3-0 in the 85th minute. The 4th goal came off the East Bengal standing captain Nirmal Chetri. Salgaonkar coach Karim Bencharifa seemed more than pleased with the important victory. The Moroccan tactician will hope that these boys produce more such performances in the new year. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.